Real traders post their losses. If someone's not posting their losses, it's most likely because they're trying to sell you something and they just want to look good for you, so you buy whatever they're selling. I care about you learning the skill of trading, learning the skill of mastering the stock market. So here I'm sharing with one of my losses today. Let me know if you have any questions and if this helped you out in any way. I went 0-1 for today, but this was still a high quality trade, and I would take this trade every time I see it. So basically, let me go into bar replay mode so we can see exactly what I saw at the time. So the first thing that we know is that we have a 1 hour supply zone right here. Again, 1 hour supply, meaning if price comes here, we expect it to sell off one more time. So basically, I went to the 5-minute chart, which is something I usually don't do and I haven't been doing in this market, simply for the fact that there's been so much random movements like you're gonna see in a second in this market. It's been very volatile, but basically when price comes here, we want to see some type of indicator candle. Now, the one thing that I should have done differently on this trade, and I'm going to zoom forward so we can see exactly what happened. Boom, price came up to this area, so we see that we do have a strong rejection right here, and this was not when I entered the trade. Now, I wanted to see something else happen at this zone because this is our first rejection. So now we see what price did. It dropped all the way down to there. So now we want to see it come back to this area and give us some type of indicator candle. So price came back to this area, gave us this crazy huge bearish pin bar. Now, as soon as price broke the low of this pin bar, my entry was actually right here. My entry was here as soon as the low of that bearish pin bar was broken, and then my stop loss was above the wick of this bearish pin bar. Now, because the stop loss is so far away, I did enter this with smaller size than I normally would, so the loss was not even that big anyway. But we wanted to catch this move back down to the 1 hour demand, and as you can see, price went almost in that direction, almost a 1-to-1, but then it went flying up against me in this crazy smart money move to the upside, and we got stopped out of this trade. Now, the only thing I would have said was, because when we look at the daily chart, we're on some crazy, ridiculous, 12 green candles in a row. So the trend was not on my side. However, when we zoom into this 1 hour supply and then we zoom into the 5-minute chart, you can see that this is a potential drop to the downside, especially when you see such a massive bearish pin bar candle. This should have at least gone down to here, this 1 hour demand right here, before going back up like this. But it gave this crazy smart money move in the opposite direction, and that's why I've been using the 1 hour chart even when it comes to scalping. But that was it for the day. 0-1. We didn't overtrade, we didn't revenge trade, we didn't do anything wrong today. We took our one trade, took our one loss, and we're done. That's it. Make trading simple. This is how it's supposed to be. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if this helped you out in any way. If you like this type of content, just know that I do have the full course that teaches you everything that I got to this point in this video of me being profitable, of me understanding the market. All of my strategies are there, and it comes with free mentorship as of now, which is something I haven't seen anyone offer. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out anytime. I'm here for y'all. I'm here for those who want the knowledge. And that's it. Let's get this money, y'all. Let's go. Gabe Trades.